Hi everyone, this is Tori and we have a train coming. There it is right now with some tankers and looks like a couple hoppers too. 595 and number 624. Here it is. Here we go. We got black tankers, Z-Bucks, 2 rusty hoppers, and 4 more tankers. A brand new one, Alex, Methling, Diphenol, Diphenoxide, whatever that word is, black Tilex, white oxide peroxide, and a black core. There you have it. Short but good. That's your train, my friend. That's your train. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Until then, this is Tori. I'll see you next time.